Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Just wanted to do a quick discussion on the recent situation with a future prop firm called Fast Track Trading. So basically the firm went down, leaving traders without payouts or refunds, and it turned out to be one big scam. Now, this isn't my usual content and there is no technical analysis here. Just wanted to make this video to help you guys understand the situation. I'm not going to talk in details about what happened, but the main objective is to help you choose reliable firms in the future. Now, I honestly thought that with all the firms that went down over the past 2 years, I'm not going to name any, you all know which firms, and I thought that people would be more cautious, more aware, but honestly, I was amazed by how many traders trusted this FTT firm only to lose their money in the end. There were a lot of red flags from the start, and the first one, when I saw it, I know that this is not going to end well. So they basically offered instant funding with super cheap prices, which isn't a new concept on its own. So some firms do offer instant funding, but pairing that with low prices, this is like too good to be true conditions. And too good to be true is suspicious, okay? When you see a new firm with this kind of offers, that's usually a red flag. And why is that? Why good conditions are a red flag? So their business model, the business model of these firms doesn't really allow for many profitable traders. These accounts are simulated, as you all know. So for the people who don't know, these are simulated accounts. They're not paying you from the profits you make, but from fees that traders pay for evaluations, okay? And most traders don't pass. The failure rate is very, very high. I don't know exactly the statistics, but typically around 80% and more, okay? So only a small number of traders end up seeing any money at all. Even if you do make it in, or you make it to the funded phase, there are usually restrictions like consistency rules that limit how much and how fast you can make profit, right? So for the really profitable traders out there. But you are paying, or they are paying you, or they are paying winners with money from people who failed the evaluations and fail to reach the payout. So when there are easy rules, more traders pass, and the firm lose money because more payouts mean less profit for them. So that's basically their simplistic business model. Now let's break down how this works. So from the start, when you buy an account, the odds are already against you. I don't know again the exact statistics, but the failure rate is really high, and only maybe 20, maybe 10% make it through the evaluation. And then once you're funded, there are often more requirements to meet, for example, a profit threshold. You need first of all to build your drawdown as a threshold, reserve threshold, I don't know how they call it. And then after that, you need to make a certain amount to request a payout. There are other rules or other structures to this, but they are all limiting, and even profitable traders will face difficulties. So even if you have an edge in the market, you have the trailing drawdown, so a losing streak can really end you, and a losing streak is really not something extraordinary. Okay, this is normal. All traders out there, profitable traders, have losing streaks. But the thing is, these firms are set up to benefit from a high rate of failure. So now after you understood how they work, and easy conditions and cheap prices is a red flag, when it comes for you to pick a reliable firm, my rule of thumb is avoid new firms entirely, okay? Avoid new firms. new firms, they need time to prove themselves. I get a lot of sponsorship offers from new firms, mostly Forex prop firms, because I think that it's easier to open a Forex prop firm, I believe. But the thing is, I turn all of them down. They are too new to recommend, and I have told some firms, I replied to them and I told them that while I appreciate the offer, I can't promote them to my audience until they have been around for at least a year or two and shown consistent payouts, right? They need to prove themselves that they are able to continue with that business. So here's the two main criteria I look for. First of all, years in business. I look at least 3 years in business. So this shows that they have likely proven themselves and have a stable business model, right? So call me conservative. I don't care. I don't want to think about or be worried about whether I'm going to get a payout or not. I have the market to worry about. I have my plan to worry about. Okay, trading is hard enough. I don't need these things to disturb my mental state. So that's the first thing, years in business. The second thing is payout consistency. I also check the frequency of denied payouts. So not every denied payout is a scam. Sometimes there are legitimate reasons why they denied a payout, but if a firm frequently denies payouts, that's a huge red flag, and you need to be very careful with it. And you can check social media, especially Twitter, to review this right here, the payout, the failed or the denied payout consistency. So if a firm meets these standards, then and only then I will move on to looking at their conditions and prices to compare and choose from. For example, I have recommended firms like Bullnox and Earn to Trade because they have been around since 2016 or 2017, and they don't have many complaints about payouts, right? So they met these two criteria, and I can safely recommend them to my audience, okay? And they have fair prices and reasonable rules, not too crazy rules, not rules that any trader out there can reach a payout. Rules that is, again, reasonable. If you are a trader, have an edge in the market, you can meet all of them and reach a payout. So again, choosing the right firm is so important. Trading is already hard enough without having to worry about whether you will actually get paid. So you want to be able to focus on your trading, not on whether the firm is legit. That's why I need you to understand that you need to make sure, or you need to make sure that the firm has been around for a while and has a solid payout record before you get involved. Do your own research. Alright, so I think I said enough in this video. I hope this video helps you to make informed decisions in the future when picking a prop firm, and you don't want to buy an account only to stress about whether you will actually see a payout. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me on my Twitter account or leave a comment down below, and I will answer you as soon as I can. Now, happy trading and good luck.